In this video, I'm going to show you how to talk with Sesame AI. So the first thing you want to do is go to sesame.com, and then on here, you want to click on preview over here on the left. Now, right away, it will give you the option to talk to one of two AI models. So you have the Maya and you have Miles. You can, of course, click on either of these and then just start chatting, but I think sessions can only go up to 5 minutes. So let me show you how this is done. So let's try to chat with Maya over here. And then you have to basically allow your microphone to be able to do this. It's going to start loading and then it's going to start talking.
Well, hello there.
There we
Looks
go.
like it's just you and me for a bit.
As
I'm
you can
Maya.
see, it's already started talking, and then you can just basically talk to it as you want. You can mute yourself and you can end the call. So for this instance, I'm just going to end the call to show you how to actually get longer conversations and how to basically sign into your account where you can talk further, because this is just a sample. So let me end the call. There we go. Once you do this, click on continue with either Google or Apple. Okay, so I'm gonna go with Google because it's just a bit easier, I do think. And then this is gonna basically take you over here where you have to select your account, and then you wanna press continue. And after this, there we go. You'll see there's another conversation you can now start. And of course, it's going to say, what should we call you? I'm just going to do instant how to. This is the name of the channel. And then I'm going to go next. Then you have to give it your birthday. So you just basically want to give it your birthday. There we go. And then you want to go next. You want to put in your gender. And then you can just start the conversation. So for example, I'm going to start it with Miles this time. And then again, I'm going to allow. And as you can see, he's going to start connecting, he's going to
Instant
start
how-to, nice
talking,
to
and
meet you.
that's pretty much
It's a
it.
Sunday, right?
And then
Feels
once you're
like
done with that, you can just end the call over here, and then you can start a new one whenever you want to. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.